How to remove a project from DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve, and after it starts, you will see the project manager with all your listed projects. Find the project you want to remove by scrolling or using the source bar. Then, right-click on the project thumbnail or name to open a small menu with options. Next, click on Delete from the menu. A confirmation box will pop up asking if you are sure you want to delete the project. Be careful because this will remove the project completely from DaVinci Resolve. After that, click Delete again in the pop-up to confirm. The project will be removed from the project manager and you won't see it in the list anymore. If you want to remove more projects, just repeat the same steps for each one. Remember, deleting a project here only removes it from DaVinci Resolve. It does not delete your media files or folders from your computer. And that's it. Now you know how to remove a project from DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.